Step 1, go to swanage.com/builds/alpha. Then click on the highest version number. This is build number in the list, 2126 or higher, and download the TLex Suite setup and run it. Then run TLex as usual after you've installed it. And now from the Tools menu, Tools, launch tlCorpus linked, and it will run tlCorpus, should run tlCorpus in linked mode. You'll see in the title bar linked mode. Okay, now we open a document here. Now we can do various things. For example, right click on the lemma sign, or right click either in the tree view, commands for draw, or in the lemma list here, commands for draw. Searching tlCorpus, so we can launch searches searching tlCorpus, so we can launch searches here. From TLex or tlTerm. Then okay, from this side we can also say right click on a word, commands for, and we can say insert as new entry in tlTerm TLex database with no dialog box. No dialog box means no questions asked. It creates a new entry in the linked TLex. Alright, so and what we can also do is right click on any word in tlCorpus. So habit, right click on habit, commands for habit, insert as new entry. If we select with dialog box, we get this box, and then you can make a change. So for example, if you right click on breaking, then you may want to say with dialog box and add it as break, for example. Alright, and then we've also got the usual, like if we select a sense in TLex, then we can right click on a sentence, began to draw a map of America. That sounds like, so we can say right click linked mode, auto add example sentence in TLex, and it does automatically adds this as a usage example with the source filled in.